Okay, so this is the Lee Universal Case Feeder. As we all know, to change from different case links, you have to loosen these two screws, adjust the height to get this to be, approximately a penny height above the case, retighten it and go. And if you're changing from a smaller diameter to a larger diameter case, you have to remove the screws, remove the bolt completely, move the bolt to the other side, remove the block out, and reassemble it, and then start the process over of adjusting the height depending on what case you're running. I've designed a quick change adapter that replaces all of this, and I'm going to put that in and show you how it works. Okay, we've removed the case feeder. You can see here, these are the parts that were removed. We're going to reuse the bolt, the nuts. We're going to reuse this 4-tube collector and the screw. We'll be installing this new adapter and this case retention paddle. The kit also comes with these spacers that are the quick change adapters that can adapt for any of the cases. So we'll get this put on. This is going to be reinstalled onto here. We'll get this put together and show you how it works. Okay, so here the new system is installed. So we've put the bolt, same as on the original, the bolt with the first nut to secure here. There's a spacer that has a stabilizer arm to help hold cases, the last case, and we bolted on. So the spacer is the approximate height that the system needs to be, but when you put it on, you still have to adjust this the one time to make sure that either you put an adapter, either clip an adapter onto it and check your case height, or in this situation I had the extra pusher on, so I've set it so that it clears the pusher. So you put this on, tighten it up, ensure that this flipper here can rotate, and then there's a rubber band that comes with the system that hooks around to a tab on the front here to give a spring action on this retention. So you can see that rotates, and what that's doing is this is rotating around to get past the frame. It's going to catch, if a case tries to fall over, it'll catch it and stand it back up. Okay, so now once this is installed, there's no need to make adjustments at the top for large or small cases. That's all being handled with the adapters. So we'll run through feeding some cases here just to show how quickly it is to change. So we'll put the tube feed in. I'm going to start with 223. That just snaps in. We'll load our cases in. I'm putting my thumb on that just to make sure that when I'm dropping the cases in, it doesn't knock the adapter out. There's no need to do that when it's running, so we'll go ahead and run all of these. I put 5 in. Now you can see there, that one tried to fall over, but that catcher arm caught it and stood it back up. Alright, so that was 223. We pop the adapter off. I'm going to remove this, well actually I'm going to leave that on. We're going to load 38 special. So we slide the adapter on, snaps into place, and that's it. Now we'll load the cases in. Alright, so there's 5. And that one wanted to bobble. The last one usually does, but it stayed in. All right. So I'm going to remove the extended spacer. Pop that out. We're going to load 9mm. drop the cases in. And now we'll do 45 ACP. So this is where we're going from a small case to a large case. And you know, before we would have had to completely remove the system, rotated it, and put it back in. With this setup, we don't have to do anything. We just run the shells and put on the adapter. So here's 45 ACP. And that's it. I've got a shop on Etsy. I'll put the link below. Thanks.